Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my garage. Well, my daughter called me. She says that her compass is not starting. So, I'm here. This is a standard, and you've already seen it in my videos before. We did a transmission on it. We've done a couple other things. So, came over, now we'll try starting. Alright. I hear the pump. It's not a fuel pump. Okay. Hope I'm not getting a mini going on here. I thought I saw the. Let me get the reader on it and see what I see. I've got that though. If you've got that, it's not going to start. Went out, but it's not starting. Alright, so that's where we're at right now. We get the reader on it and see what we got. Well, let's see what the reader's got to say. Fuel system lean. That's it. Fuel system lean. Alright. Something lean, that's it. Alright, let's go ahead and reset it. Fuel system lean. All our freaking monitors are good. Alright. Let's reset it. Might start. Okay, powertrain. Everything's normal. So you're gonna start now? Uh-oh. Oh, you still got that. I hope we ain't talking a freaking her ECM or tip 'em. Nothing. Alright, I'm going to do some fuse checking real quick. Alright. Stay tuned. Okay, I just checked all the fuses and everything. It's simple machine here. Nothing there. Everything's got power to them. Yeah, let's go down towards the, pull air air filter and stuff out of the way. Alright, right now I'm inspecting this throttle body. You look down there, see the throttle body right here? There's a cannon plug. And I can't get that cannon plug off of there. It's like it's seized on the contacts. So, looks like I'm bringing it home. And we'll get it on the left and we'll go from there. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, we got it back to the house. Get it off the car dolly. I'm going to pull it in here and see what I can find. Something's going on with that throttle body. I'm just not sure what. Okay, I done the clamp on that. Got on that carburetor. Or the carburetor. Yeah, carburetor. Alright. Throttle body. Okay, now I'm trying to go close on that. Really? As you can see inside that, look at all that. I don't know if that throttle body, I wonder if that flapper is stuck. It's pretty dirty, huh? What I'm doing, I disconnected that plug finally, so I couldn't get it off. So I think I'll go ahead and plug that plug back in. Back out. You ain't seeing nothing. Okay. So let's put the plug back on. Okay, right. You gotta get all kinds of codes with that one off of there. Alright. Alright, so I need my phone right here, buddy. Got my phone right there. No, right there. Okay. Back down a bit now. Alright. So we're doing. So let's see. Oh, that's all right. There we go. All right, let's see if that thing functions when I put the turn it up. Drop down in there. Drop down in there? No. Okay, good. Nothing happened. Okay. Okay, well I've cleaned that and I've tried to move the flapper a little bit. It moves. But I still got throttle position sensor circuit high. So I gotta look into that, or it's part of the actual throttle body. So there we are. All right, we're back. And guess where I'm at? Yeah, I'm at Wilbert's. I gave these guys like a 2-month break. All right, well, I found me a 2010 Patriot. It's got the exact same engine in it. And guess what? The whole front's missing. And there's your throttle body. I'm right here, I can get right to it. So it ain't gonna take me no time at all to get this off of here. I got blessed. So just a review, you got 4 bolts, they're 10s. You got a 13 bolt in the very back that's got the bracket. It's that bracket bolt right there, and you got to remember, I think those are long. Those rear bolts are longer than the front ones. You got your cannon plug right here. You got to disconnect. Get your air. Get that air. Got to get your air scoop disconnected from your air box. That's it. All right, very cool. 4 bolts. That bracket. I am pulling that off. I'm cutting it because I may need it later. Make sure your bolts are loose. And there you are. You now have a throttle body. Can't guarantee it's good, but at least I have it. Okay? I'm going to take that ring. That ring might be beneficial. You get the O-ring in there? Take the O-ring with you as well. Alright. I'm going to look around for a couple other things here, and then we're going to be out of here. Alright, we'll get this one off. I don't know what all is down in there. They're looking really bad in there. Give me, kick in the light. There you go. Get inside there. I don't know what all going on in there. You know what? Googly goo up in there. Oh yeah. All right, let's get that out of there. Get this new one on here and see what happens. All right, here we go. I used some carb cleaner, clean this sucker up really good. We're ready to go and put her back on. You do have a set. You do have one alignment. Stud right there. See it? Okay, she's installed. Let's go ahead and crank it, see what it does. Hopefully this was the problem. Alright. She said it was so simple. She just got home from work. She had to go back in, or she had to go get the kids in about 4 hours. She came out 4 hours early, went to start it, nothing happened. So, let's see what happens. Let's see if that sensor goes out. Sensor is not going out. I'm getting started. Sucker is still there. I'm getting a sheen. I don't know. I'm getting a nothing. Well, that was $35 down the drain. Not really, because I can take it right back. That wasn't the problem. Alright, back to the drawing board. It wasn't the throttle body. We're narrowing it down. Okay, I got high throttle, or what is it? T is PO0222, which means that something's the let's see if that even shows now. Shows I took it. All right. Okay, that's normal because I've already taken the frickin' throttle off of it. So let's see, we got 11 codes now. Okay, accelerator pedal position, circuit 2 is low. So it's a 2 on 2.7. Accelerator pedal sensor, circuit 1 low. Throttle position sensor 2 circuit low. Throttle position circuit A high. Intake sensor, I'm back around again. Accelerated pedal sensor 2 circuit low. Circuit low, circuit low. Okay, so what's happened is I went ahead and with those pedal circuits low, not reading, I went ahead, actually it's blinking now. That's good. All right. That's good. All right. So when I disconnected and pulled the pedal, let me go back to it. Accelerated pedal position sensor out of circuit, and one circuit was bad. Throttle position sensor circuit low, and you're back to those throttle position. So what I did is I went ahead and pulled the pedal. Oh, get up there. You've got three nuts that hold that pedal on there, and then the plug. So that's where we're at. I went ahead and pulled that because of that. And with that pedal totally not functioning, you've got that Thunderbolt is blinking. So that's our next move. Is I'm run back down to Wilbert's and steal this one out of that Patriot. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one out, because I don't know if it's good or bad. And I got on Amazon. I thought it was $250 for a new one. It's only $53 for a new one. So, but with that said, I'm going to go ahead and pull this one, because it appears that it isn't a problem. And I think I'm just going to go back down and get the pedal out of that Patriot. And I know these are a pair. And then we'll go from there. And then I find that it starts because of the freaking pedal, then we'll go from there. If it's not, we may have a problem in there. And I am not looking forward to that. I do have another one though, but I don't like messing with that. So anyway, all right, stay tuned. Hey Dan, all right, we're back on this 010 Jeep Compass, not starting. Well, one of our friends came over. He's got that $3,000 analyzer, and he found the box right here, and I can get it out here. I'll wait till I get the tire off. Shut that. But as you can see right there, green giggly goop, it ate that little relay right off. And as far as I know, that's the first issue that we gotta deal with. So I'm getting this back on the rack again, and we'll get that wheel off so we have better access to that relay box. Okay, we got it back on the. I got it back on the rack again. About killed me. All right, I got the wheel off of here. So this is your relay box, and this is the relay that's screwed up. Those two wires going right there, that point. So that's where I'm at. Let's see what that actually is. Okay, so if we go in the book, here's the ASD block right here, and with this relay here, which is your R2, is the one on that that's all corroded, and R2 here, here's your designation. R2 is radiator high fan. Your main relay is your R4, which is that one there. So we got some more troubleshooting to do. All right, we're back on the Jeep Compass, and come to the conclusion those two wires there have to be put together and put back in here. And a new relay. Well, I went to Advance, and this relay here is a universal relay, and I don't particularly trust it. It's just a universal. I got it at AutoZone. You look at it, and it looks close. It's like everything's together. But my issue is it, if you're looking at the schematic on this thing, this is set up for this vehicle. And if you're looking, it's, you know, your 35241, right? This thing here is universal. I can't guarantee. That's what we're looking at. I gotta go to the dealer and get it. Just a standard relay. If you're looking at it like that, comparing them, that kind of looks like that. Kind of looks like that. That kind of looks like that. And then that kind of looks like that. But I don't know. I'm not going to trust it. I'm going to run down to Wilbert's and get one. I'm going to return that one. It's going to be another day or two, but that's fine with me. In fact, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go down to Wilbert's and then take the whole block. I'm going to freaking cut it right here. Whack. And then bring it home. If it looks like it hasn't got any corrosion and stuff in it. And I'll probably take that female plug out of here. And then connect it back to the regular. Push it back in there. And then use a relay that I got with it back in there. We'd be done. I don't trust that. So anyway, that's where we're at, and this should take care of the no start problem. You want to see giggly goop? This is the panel that's on the bottom there. Look at that corrosion. Clean that all out of there. And make sure you clean that out of there. Now I've just sprayed some battery cleaner in there. Eat that stuff. I use that advanced battery cleaner. And acid detection. All right, we're back. It's a Monday morning. I thought these guys were open at 8 o'clock, and they're not. They're open at 9. So ran down to Dunkin', came back, And just follow up is this is working on the 2010 Jeep Compass. Well, my Zurich told me I had a bad throttle body. Well, I changed the throttle body, and then told me it didn't fix it, but yet it threw me another code saying it was the pedal, accelerator pedal. Well, changed that too, thinking that was gonna at least solve that problem. Well, it didn't. So I had a buddy of mine, friend of my daughter's, and he's got one of those expensive snap-on readers, and he put it on there, and it said that it was not reading the AS or the ASD relay. Come on. Whole front end's gone, which made it really convenient. There you are. I think. Is that you? Here. Here it is. I need that box. I need that box. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, there we are. And it's this one here. Goodness. Oh, you're in perfect shape. There isn't any green goobly. Let's get this home. Cable's cut. I gotta go. I don't need that. I just need to slide that off of there. Just tweak that, pull it up. Alright, that little prick kept getting caught in there. I got it off of there, but there we go. There's two red wires there. Very important. Okay, we're home. This is what this box should look like. We should have no corrosion in here whatsoever. No issues in the front, top. But what we're concerned with is that red and blue. I don't know. I think they're both red and blue. And these are red and white. That's red. I think those are both red and white. And these are red and blue. So those are the ones we're concerned with. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and pull that pin assembly out of here and reinsert it in here. Unfortunately, I really don't feel like splicing all these wires together. All I'm dealing with is that one there. So I'll be cutting these off, making sure I got clean connections. I'll be pulling these two and then cutting those and then splicing those together. So that's my chore right now. Stay tuned. Okay. And like I said, I got this universal relay from AutoZone, and they did punch in ASD relay, and they didn't have it. All they had was the universal. So I said, I'll hit the universal while I'm here. But as you can see, as far as I'm concerned, they look alike, but when I look at the schematic here, they don't, as far as I'm concerned, they don't really look like I would like them to look. So I said, screw it. I got another day or two. We'll run down to Wilbert's, and I'll get the whole assembly like I just did. It came off the same vehicle that I'd gotten the throttle body and the foot pedal off of, because that's what my Zurich says was wrong with it. Okay, after about a half hour or so, what I'm doing right now is I'm going to go ahead and pull that whole harness out of here. It's like I just did here. I've still got one more, and I'm just going to find the main wire and then splice it. I'm putting these right back in where they belong. And what you're gonna need a set of these, or you're gonna need a real fine pick to go in there. There is a little locking device inside there. See it? It's on the upper side there. You got to push that back. You see it? Push that back, and your little socket is going to pull out. So I still got this one left, and I'm using this really small, fine pick to go in here. You got to go on that front side, slide it down in there, and you're going to feel it, basically. And you're going to push it back, and of course I can't do it with one hand. All right, and you come in from the front, and then push it back. You probably see the little lock right there. You got to push that in. And the lock right there, push it in. See that little lock right there? Push it in. And now I have the whole harness. This is what our issue is, because it was rotted right through here. And as I can see, none of these are rotted. We're in good shape. All right, stand by. Now I got to get the one out of the other one and make sure that freaking thing is perfectly clean and there's no giggly goop in there. Stay tuned. Okay, here we go. I've got the old one out. Got the new wiring in. Got this one here, and then it's a double. This is where it broke off, right on that connector there. Now I'm going to put that back up in there, but what I'm going to do is, because that was completely rotted and gone, so I've still got some more green stuff in here. So I got to get some Q-tips and use some more of that acid detector and remote battery cleaner. Get in there, clean that sucker up. And then the grabber is still there. You can still see it. So I'm in good shape there. And then what I got to do is I got to go up into the harness here a little bit. And I got to get that one right there. See the red? See that red one right there? I got to go up. Once I get that out, see it's a double, so it's this one here. So I got to go up in here further, cut it, and then splice this one in, and we are done. Stay tuned. All right, using scissors, I took back the insulation, and there's what I need. This wire right here. We'll get that puppy out of there. It's in good shape. Like I said, I need to get in here, get the rest of the green stuff out of here so it doesn't contaminate the new wiring. Okay, we're back at it. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to get it all done. Right now, I sprayed some more stuff in there. You can see it's still freaking that crap in there. But that should neutralize it. We'll get some silicone spray. Get that sprayed in there. Get it as neutral as possible. And then I'm going to use some electrical grease. Will be next. Stay tuned. Alright, just to show you the last pin. That was this one here. That's going to get, wire's going to get cut and then spliced to the new one. Red and purple. I don't want a different color this time. Anyway, I used a different year, so it'll get spliced in. So that's that. That pin. And right next to that blue one. Go up in there. It's also this one right here. All right, so we're almost there. All right, halfway through. Now we're actually on the repair. And I got these heat shrink connectors. One more to connect, and then we go ahead and put our relays back in. All right, Repair is made. We now have our repair. All our pins are in there invisible. We look good. No more corrosion. I sprayed that with silicone. And then when I go ahead and put the pins, these back in, double check there's no corrosion on them. So they'll look good. And I'll put them back in with electrical grease. And there's the old one. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. And number 5. I'll put power on that real quick and make sure I got power coming through all that. In fact, you'll put this back in there. Click, click. Ah, it looks new now, huh? The problem is, that's where you can't see it, is right there. These are your little ones up front. So, all right, let's go from here. And this is what we want to see. We want to see power all through that. Again, that's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wired system. All right, boys and girls, here we are. All 5 relays are in. Nothing's pushed out the back. All the pins are locked in there. You saw a minute ago, I had power on it. I pulled the battery again. And I plug that, put the positive back on. We're going to have here's some stuff, I think. Alright. You're plugged back in. I believe that's just the power relay for that. 30 amp. Because everything's good. Alright. I pulled the spark plug out earlier because I was checking for spark, but of course you ain't gonna get any. Okay, so everything's back together. Spark plug's back in. I did notice that she needs spark plugs, so we'll do that. All right. Well, everything's where it needs to be. Let's see if we get a start. I'll be happy. She'll be happy. Oh. All right. Ready? Here we go. Click, click. Let's see if that light goes out. Uh-oh. Help with that. Oh, let me reset everything. We'll tighten up on that brake, that ground wire. Tighten up. Tighten up on the ground wire. I'm gonna see if I reset everything. Alright, let's go ahead and reset everything before I go any further. I do the Zurich. Stand by. Alright, see what the Zurich says. Everything cleared up. Alright, 5 permanent temperature. Let's reset. And yes. Oh, you're 5 permanent still. Accelerator position. You just took that sucker back. Permanent. Throttle position. Throttle. Circuit. Accelerator pedal. Oh man. Huh. Alright, maybe it has to learn relearn everything. If it'll start, we'll be in good shape. Ready? Let's see. Hey! Yes! Yes! Alright. Thank you, Dennis. Thank you, Dennis. I'd run out of time. I ran out of time working on it. But as you can see, freaking YouTube is plastered with that ASD and that box being freaking corroded. So there we go. There you go, Daz. Alright, I just gotta put everything back together again. Just run a couple seconds here. I should be able to reset everything. Yes. Get us some new spark plugs and we'll be good to go. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, definitely share. And you'll catch me on the next Dana's Garage. And this was troubleshooting a no start on 2010 Jeep Compass. And it wound up being wires rotted through, or should I say a relay pin on the ASD, which is located in the driver's side wheel well. Again, thanks for watching. Here you go, Daz. But you need spark plugs. I'll get those and get it back to you. Here you go, Dennis. Thank you for your help.